Ka subcommittee jong sarkar senrap Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabale kendo ha kesingi balang jong ketayo. Kalau penmenai ke kyrtong jong Dr WR Kharlukhi ubrew presiden ke NPP Meghalaya unit kum u kyrtong yo monlang jong kenhun bani aireng hak election MP syake yang dorbar Raja Sabha kebanlong haka arpun rotarik mentau benai leber. Habayakran bagi nong patai kubor usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston Tensong uli itu bagi MDA Coordination Committee kalatung bat aibor ke subcommittee bakan Shimrai bat ban penmenai yau kyrtong yo monlang jong ke kenhun. Ulong baga komiti hadian bagalasong arteli gijingalang kalashime karai ban pynieng yu Dr WR Kharlukhi kum ukertong. Ula pente bu Dr WR Kharlukhi uni aireng hakani ke election na ke tiket jong ke NPP. Hendrei undai pat unong mi kemat jong ke kenhun MDA syaka Raja Sabha. Ubak Preston Tensong beriru chairman ke subcommittee ula pentep bat penpau ya kejing sengus scam bau kertong yang monlang jong ke MDA unyo e kejing job ke badan buram hakani ke election. Laban kedau hang ni baka kenhun MDA kadon saupu ingut ki MLA hagi yang dorbar tauan Kejela ke bakentup na keseng NPP, UDP, PDF, BJP, HSBDP, NCP, Khnam bat ki MLA Klemseng kat ba keseng Kongres kadon kat kendai ngut ki MLA.
Because I told you we recommended the name of Dr WR Kharlukhi, but I just reminded you about the arrangement made last year, even 2019, you know, MDA were won. And next, I think you remember even the speaker's election. Ultimately, we had a committee. No? Yeah. We had a committee. And ultimately, we recommended one. Okay. So, the same way we did for this upcoming Raja Sabha election.